Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. iPad gets macOS like magic. Apple's forthcoming iPadOS 19 promises to revolutionize the iPad experience, adding macOS-inspired features that bring it much closer to a desktop-like environment. With this major update, Apple is transforming how we interact with the iPad, combining features that boost productivity, enhance multitasking, and offer a cohesive design inspired by macOS. Let's dive into the most exciting upgrades coming to iPadOS 19 and how they'll impact your iPad usage. macOS-like menu bar on the iPad. One of the biggest changes in iPadOS 19 is the introduction of a macOS-style menu bar. This is a game changer for users who rely on the iPad for professional tasks. When paired with the Magic Keyboard, the new menu bar offers easy access to essential tools and settings, creating a seamless workflow that's more akin to what you'd expect from a desktop computer. This feature includes options like file management, editing tools, and a view menu that mirrors the macOS experience, making the iPad feel more like a traditional desktop environment. With the new design, users can quickly switch between apps, manage multiple windows, and adjust settings without constantly navigating through apps or settings menus. This streamlined layout enhances productivity, providing a quicker and more efficient interface for both casual users and professionals alike. Enhanced multitasking. Stage Manager 2.0. Another highly anticipated feature in iPadOS 19 is Stage Manager 2.0. Building upon the Stage Manager feature introduced earlier, this updated multitasking tool is set to significantly improve window management on the iPad. Stage Manager 2.0 allows users to organize open apps in a more intuitive way, offering smoother transitions between apps and a better workspace layout. It's designed to make multitasking feel more natural, which is perfect for users who use their iPads for more complex tasks or professional work. Whether you're working on documents, editing videos, or browsing the web, Stage Manager 2.0 will provide an optimized and clutter-free multitasking experience, offering users the ability to seamlessly switch between tasks without losing focus. Unified Design Language inspired by Xiao's Vision OS. In addition to functional updates, iPadOS 19 also brings a complete visual overhaul with a design inspired by Apple's Vision OS. The new design language features rounded UI elements, pill-shaped tab bars, and a more fluid interface. Overall, these changes are aimed at providing a more unified and aesthetically pleasing experience across all Apple devices. This overhaul includes new floating keyboards and transparent layers, which offer a fresh and immersive visual experience. The integration of 3D components also enhances the UI, making navigation feel more dynamic and intuitive. The result is a design that blends seamlessly with Apple's broader ecosystem, ensuring that all Apple devices feel connected in terms of both functionality and design. Smarter Siri with AI integration. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, is also getting a significant boost in iPadOS 19. With the integration of more advanced AI capabilities, Siri will be able to offer a smarter, more personalized experience. The update introduces a higher level of contextual awareness, allowing Siri to understand commands more accurately and handle more complex tasks. For example, Siri will now be able to respond to context-based queries and offer suggestions based on your usage patterns. This will make the assistant feel more responsive and capable, allowing users to manage their iPads more efficiently and effectively without needing to navigate through menus or settings. Final thoughts. A unified and powerful ecosystem. iPadOS 19 is a major step forward in Apple's vision of creating a cohesive, powerful ecosystem that brings together the best features from macOS, iOS, and iPadOS. With macOS-inspired elements, enhanced multitasking, and a new design overhaul, the iPad is poised to become an even more versatile tool for both casual users and professionals. As we look ahead to the official release, these updates suggest that the iPad will continue to evolve as a central device for productivity and creativity. The integration of macOS-style features, improved multitasking, and smarter AI will make the iPad even more capable of handling a variety of tasks, from casual browsing to professional workflows. Overall, iPadOS 19 is shaping up to be an exciting update that will make your iPad experience more productive, efficient, and enjoyable. Whether you're using it for work, entertainment, or everything in between, this new update is sure to transform how you use your iPad. Keep an eye out for the official release. It's going to be a game changer. Thanks for tuning in, and stay connected for more updates on all things tech right here in Techno Trend Zone.